Hey guys, today we're gonna remove the rear windshield arm for the Subaru Forester 2015, and so we're gonna have to just unclip it. It has like a little clips on the side, so this is gonna come off. And now we're using a 10. This is a range 10. Okay. Now we're gonna pull this, see, like this. So if you want to just remove this, if you want to remove the whole thing, you're gonna have to go inside the tailgate and remove it from inside. But this is just to remove it from the outside, in case that you wanna put some perf on the rear window.